Life depends on a layer of greenhouse gases that trap the sun's rays, keeping the earth warm. But unchecked development is releasing too many of these gases, making the earth too hot, too fast. This rise in temperature is not only resulting in the rapid melting of polar ice caps, but is also killing thousands of people each year. As the glaciers melt, sea level worldwide will rise, submerging 22 major cities across the world. So forget fashion and grab life jackets, because Mumbai is one of them.
Normally people mistake climate change to only global warming. That's not the case. Global warming is average increase in temperature, but climate change is, if you would define it, I can say that it's changes, weird changes in weather patterns, which one is never expecting. Rains in a desert, snowfall in Dubai, 1,000 millimeters, 1,000 meters of rain in flat 24 hours in Bombay. That's what you can say climate change, which naturally it won't have occurred, but because of external circumstances, the changes that is happening in weather patterns, that's how it's defined as climate change.
The weather patterns are going haywire. Many areas are experiencing intense rainfall, while others are facing extreme droughts. One such state where both of these are being witnessed is Orissa.
One of the effects of climate change, scientists have told, is that there will be change in the rainfall pattern. And rainfall pattern change is a change which has got enormous implications, especially for the farmer community, of which Orissa has got, 70% of the people in the state depend upon farming for a livelihood. So if there is a change in the rainfall pattern, then 70% population gets affected. So if the rainfall changes, for example, the farmer normally sows his seed here in the dryland farming where there is no irrigation, sows it at the middle of June because he expects rainfall, the monsoon to hit in the first week of June. But if the pattern has changed, like for example this year the monsoon only hit at the end of June. So what happened? The seeds got destroyed. The seeds which had sown earlier, they got destroyed. They got all burnt out because there was only heat was there, sun was there was no rain.
पौष माघ मास आसिक पहुँचला शीतर किसी जना पड़ूनी आमको आम लुगा देहरे पकाऊनु कौन बुझल आगे ठीक 60 वर्ष लोक 50 वर्ष लोक घर बाहर बसी पार नुले आज्ञा देहरे लुगा न पड़े ठीक 8टा 9टा टाइम हेले आसिक खरा खाइबे खरा खाई जगह कम सी जीव एमती रोचे।
Not just the rains, but the increasing frequency of floods and cyclones continue to devastate Orissa. Every monsoons, these lands, homes and habitats are submerged below waters, the scars of which are still left behind. If you are going to act only after you are wounded, then you do not have to wait too long.
From last 2-3 years, the flood is coming regularly, and in a year it is comes 3 to 4 times. I think it is due to the climate change, and there are some prawn farm. They make some prawn farm because they acquire some government land. The big land mafias are there. They acquiring some government land and cutting down the mangrove trees, and they make the prawn farm there. And the other side is the people here in the village people, they are saying that due to deforestation, I think the climate is changing, and in my village and the surrounding village people are saying that the Antarctic Ocean's ice is melting now. So for that reason the seas water is coming high, and it was affected our places also. These are the villagers, they are talking about with each other, because now these people are getting some newspaper also there. The newspaper is coming.
Climate change is resulting in chaos for agriculture and fishing. Just a thought. What if those who feed you go hungry? How fair is that?
जीव गोटे लोक जीव गोटे लोक गोटे परिवार पोषिकी रखिथे एबे भी 4 जन घर गलानी सही चिल्लिका को सखाळु जीव बेल बुडू को खाली रे आसीबे को दिन तो आइले 25 टका आइले खाइलु नहले से दिन को सोइलु एते भी अभाव पिल्लांकर भी मुंड बथेले पेट टाणिले कि ज्वर हेले ताकू भी हम देखै पारु
5 दिन पर हमको दिला मिलला सरकार द्वारा कोन सरकार देइछि 5 दिन पर से पर तो हमें भूख उपसे खाइनु किसी खाइनु 5 दिन पर बहुत आइला हेलीकॉप्टर आइला खाद्य पकैला तब सरकार आइले खाद्य दे तापर हमें खाइनु
तुमको केते सरकार खाद्य कोन देला केमिति कोन मा बाटमाना हला कोन हला
हां बहुत बाटमाना हैछि किंतु हमें करीब काहे कहिनु हम तो एठी पड़िछु किछु कहिनु काहे हम जे खाइलु चुप ही रहलु कहिबु काहे कहि पाइलु
वो बोले कि
Eventually, when they stop producing, we stop eating. Think your money will save you? When agriculture is in a chaos, the resulting inflation will shatter our lives. Thousands of rupees will not be enough to buy you a one-time meal. So, what are your plans for survival? Because the future could look like this.